This is the video to learn how to change default units in AutoCAD. Just you have to type unit UN and press enter. In this dialog box, you will find all the options for units. Here you can select units to scale instead content. There are some more options: inch, feet, miles, meters, kilometer, and micro inch. So select like millimeter. Here you can set decimal 0 to so many, decimal degree, radius, grades, olive as default. Here you can select the international or American units of specifying, then click on OK. That's it. Thanks for watching.